Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and this is Citrix Certification Video Training, and this is the 10th video in this series. So in this video I am going to show you adding iSCSI storage or LUN to our Xen server. So here we have iSCSI is basically the storage or LUN which is coming over the IP connections to any of the storage servers like Xen server, ESX or Hyper-V hypervisor. So in this what we have 4 virtual machines here, and the same which we are using from since few videos. So the first machine is Wintaker 12G01, which is my Active Directory server. Here you can verify I have installed Active Directory DNS and DHCP role. If you go to local servers, you can verify my server name, domain name and IP address, all the configuration. So, and the second one is my Citrix DC01, which is my delivery controller, and in this server I have installed all the like you can say all the Citrix Xen Desktop 7.11 core component. If you go to start, you can see here Citrix Studio, storefront, director, and everything is installed. Also I have installed Citrix Xen Center here, and I am connected with the Xen server. You can see here with my both Xen servers, Xen server 1 and 2. Here you can see. So in last video we have mounted the ISO file library for servers and both the Xen servers. So let's start, and we have 2 Xen servers, Xen server 1 and 2. If you want to check out here, the Xen servers are running, Xen server 1 and Xen server 2, and both are connected to our Xen center basically here. So I have installed Starwind virtual Xen, which is providing iSCSI LUNs to my both the Xen server on a physical machine. If you go here, you can see I have installed on physical machine. So Starwind here virtual Xen. So I'm going to add a target now. So target name I'm going to define here. You can say Citrix Xen servers LUNs, you can say, and allow multiple concurrent session. Click next, and simple, it will create the one target for us. And now we have to add the devices, basically a disk to this iSCSI LUN, iSCSI target. So I'm going to add disk, and I want to add a hard disk device. So click next, and it's virtual. Basically I'm creating virtual files on my storage. So the first disk is going to create in my computer F drive Starwind folder. So call it like iSCSI disk 01 and make it 101 GB, and click next, and think provisioned, click next, and no flash, go with all the default options only. And now you can see we have created one image file, basically a hard disk. And if you want to verify, you can go in my F drive. You can see in Starwind we have disk 1 iSCSI, which is size 101 GB around. So same I'm going to add for which is disk 2 101 GB, and click next, and think provision, leave the default option, and click finish. So you can see we have created 2 LUNs here, and if you go here, we have 2 iSCSI drives are created. And now I'm going to mount these 2 iSCSI on my servers, Xen servers. So for that we have to go to like Citrix Xen Center, and now I'm going to add a storage here. So new storage, and we have iSCSI here. Click next, and name for this like iSCSI, you can call it like iSCSI disk 01, and click next. And now we have to provide the IP address. In my case it's 100. You can see here I have configured 100 IP address 192.168.1.100 on my physical machine. So good. And now scan the target host. So it will scan the targets for here we have one target, you can see Citrix Xen Server LUNs. Click on it, and now it will scan for target LUNs. We have two targets there, if you remember, which we have created. So now we have two target, 101 LUN 0 and LUN 1. So I'm going to select LUN 0 and click on finish, and now it's scanning for LVM on like iSCSI. So it's fine. Like, so there was no LUN fine. So click yes, I want to format. Now you can see it's starting mapping here iSCSI disk 01 and creating SR. So it will take some time. And here we are. So now you can see the disk is added, and if you go to storage, you are able to see here no disk is there on that particular iSCSI mapped. So now we are going to map the new storage on like Xen 2. So follow the same iSCSI, click next and call it iSCSI disk 02, and oops, you can disk on like it's identical on both the both the Xen server. So I'm going to call it like iSCSI disk 01 also, and target IP address 100 and scan for host. Now we have our scan, so it's scanning for target. So we have here LUN 1. So whenever you are adding the target, make sure you are not adding any previous targeted which is added to any other Xen server or storage pool. So in my case, if I go here on my StarVent, here you can see we have sessions running here from this iSCSI initiator. So same way I'm going to add one more here. So select the LUN 1, click finish, and now it's searching for LVM on the particular iSCSI LUN. So there are no LVM created on the iSCSI LUN for now, so it's going to format and creating one. So do you want to wish to format disk? Yes. Now it's formatting. So now you can see it's connected with second one also. So here you can see some basic journal information about the storage. So disk name, basically here iSCSI disk 1, and description you can find from where it's coming, the iSCSI target name on which it's connected, and LUN number, and the size also here you can find. So we don't have any folder. So type you can verify here, it's LVM over iSCSI, and size is 44 MB used out of 101 GB. So here you can see iSCSI ID and unique ID. Here on status you can verify Xen server status is okay and connect Xen server to connected, and you can see also the multipathing is enabled or not. So here you can see our Xen server 02 not activated. We will activate the multipathing later on for this. So if you go to storage, you can see here storage, you can like rescan the storage if you want to add or modify the disk, or also you can go ahead and use the search option to search anything which is here basically on Xen servers. So you can see here both the my iSCSI disk and SMB is both the coming from my host server, which is 192.168.1.100. So same you can verify this things on my like here Xen servers status connected to Xen server 1 and multipathing is not activated. So this is all about like adding the iSCSI storage or LUN to Xen servers. So I want to say thank you for watching, and please subscribe me for more videos. And if you have any query, any question to related with this, please post me on my given mail IDs. Thank you once again. Bye bye.